guys, today I will share with you how you can do so quickly and a lot of beautiful glittery and glowing in the dark icy snowflakes. Absolutely easy to make, and also I will share with you make like that beautiful snowy house which is glowing in the dark as well. Beautiful glowing in the dark. Beautiful. Tip that resin house has a glow as well. I'm in love with resin. Resin, when you mix its ink, its colorful ink, you will see the completely different planet. It's gorgeous structure and the shade, oh my god, it's beautiful, beautiful girl. I can't describe how beautiful. I enjoy with resin a lot, and you will see your imagination, creativity will grow more faster. Just enjoy, guys. Let's start it. So I have a resin. This is, if you see, this is hardener. And that is resin. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix up both together and make sure to always it's 1 to 1, yeah? This both have to be equally measured, okay? For that I always use measure cups. I will use about 30 millimeter. So 30 liter, whatever. It's I will both use equally, right? So, and I'm gonna mix here after. This mold is amazing. I will leave a link in the description, so you can create whatever you like, any color you like, whatever you prefer. So I prefer just this one. I'm gonna pour this one a little bit. I don't want to give any color. That's my preferring method, but you can do whatever you like. It's glowing powder. They're so amazing. I love them. And what do they do? Just glow. Just glow in the dark. Spray. I left about overnight, so let's see what's happened. Ooh, so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful snow. Beautiful snow. So what you can do here, if you look at it, you see the edges. You just take the knife, craft knife, and just cut it like that. You very easily cut it. And because it's not comfortable to use scissors, but you just cut it off. It's not. I have all sorts of resin. I use this snow, and has a lot of bubbles, which is alright for snowy effect because that's what you want to. So I'm gonna pour resin. So guys, I'm gonna leave that until tomorrow, and I'll show you tomorrow. Resin, I absolutely love it. So if you see, I'm gonna polish now, and we'll see all how it become. It's absolutely good. So this resin for this project, for this mold, this resin is really good.